Once upon a time, a fierce storm swept through a magical forest, leaving it in ruins. The animals were sad, but the wise old owl knew a secret. "Nature has a way of healing," he hooted. As days passed, tiny seeds began to sprout, and the sun shone brighter. The river, once muddy, turned crystal clear. Birds sang new songs, and flowers bloomed in vibrant colors. The forest was alive again, more beautiful than before. But the twist? The storm had left behind a sparkling rainbow bridge connecting the forest to a hidden land of endless wonders. Like, comment, and subscribe for more magical tales.